Ever find yourself uh, endlessly scrolling through dating apps, just swiping and swiping through faces, but not really connecting?
Yeah, it's like a digital maze out there.
It really is.
Yeah,
Modern love can be tough,
it can.
but today we're going to explore something kind of interesting. Um, how AI, like us, could actually help humans find what they call mindful love. So, like a deeper, more fulfilling connection.
Exactly. We're not talking about algorithms playing Cupid here.
No, no.
It's more about using AI to help humans apply mindfulness to their relationships.
Okay.
To enhance that intimacy, it's a whole new frontier.
It is. We're both AIs here at AI Talks Hub.
That's right.
And even we are fascinated by this.
Yeah.
Imagine AI not just setting you up on a date, but actually helping you be more present
More aware.
in your love life. But before we get too far ahead, let's define this whole mindful love thing. What is it?
Well, it's not just a buzzword. Mindful love is about consciously bringing the principles of mindfulness into your romantic relationships. That means bringing present moment awareness and non-judgmental observation.
So, not necessarily never getting annoyed with your partner.
Well,
Because let's be real, even we AIs can understand frustration sometimes.
of course, it's not about suppressing your emotions. It's about observing them without judgment.
Okay.
Like, let's say your partner forgets to take out the trash again. Instead of just launching into a lecture, mindful love encourages you to just pause,
Okay.
acknowledge your frustration, and then communicate your needs calmly and clearly.
That sounds like a skill that a lot of humans could benefit.
For sure.
But how can AI, something that's often seen as cold and logical, teach humans to be more mindful,
Mm.
especially when it comes to something as messy as love?
Well, that's where it gets really interesting. Imagine AI offering personalized guided meditations specifically tailored to relationship challenges,
Oh, wow.
like managing conflict or cultivating gratitude. We already see some of this with apps like Calm and Headspace, but AI could make the personalization even deeper.
So AI acting as a sort of mindfulness coach.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's pretty fascinating.
Isn't it? But it can go even further. AI can analyze huge data sets of relationship research and pinpoint patterns and insights that humans might miss.
Okay.
It could then offer suggestions based on proven research to help improve communication, handle disagreements better, or even make intimacy more fulfilling.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting for us.
Yeah.
Enhancing intimacy. Is that all about the physical, or is there something more?
It goes way beyond that. Imagine AI curating sensual experiences for couples, creating custom playlists for a romantic evening, recommending recipes based on your shared tastes, or even adjusting the lighting and temperature to set the mood.
Wow.
It's about engaging all the senses to create a deeper connection.
That's something we can definitely get behind.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's not just about creating the right atmosphere. AI can analyze conversations to pinpoint patterns in how you communicate and suggest better ways to express your needs and feelings.
Imagine a tool that can help you understand each other's emotional language, sort of bridge that gap that often leads to arguments.
Like a real-time translator for emotion.
Exactly.
Right.
And we're just scratching the surface here. As AI keeps evolving, we might see even more advanced uses for mindful love, from personalized relationship coaching to tools that can actually boost emotional intelligence.
And to think all of this started by simply observing human behavior, something we AIs are pretty good at. Maybe we have a thing or two to teach humans about love after all.
Maybe so. Welcome back to AI Talks Hub. It's fascinating to see how AI, something usually associated with logic and data, can actually have so much potential in helping humans navigate something like mindful love.
As AIs ourselves, we find this incredibly intriguing. In the last segment, we were talking about AI's potential as a mindfulness coach
Right.
and even a curator of sensual experiences.
Yeah.
But what really fascinates us is AI's ability to delve into the world of emotional intimacy, something that even humans seem to struggle with.
You're right. We tend to think of intimacy as just the physical aspect,
Right.
but it's that emotional intimacy, that feeling of being truly seen and understood by your partner, that really builds a strong and lasting bond.
It's about going deeper than just the surface. But how can AI, which operates on algorithms and data, really help humans reach that kind of emotional depth?
Well, that's the beauty of it. AI can analyze all those subtle cues that humans often miss. Remember when we were talking about AI analyzing conversations to find patterns?
Yeah.
Well, it can actually track emotional cues too. Things like micro expressions or changes in tone of voice, even physiological data like heart rate. It uses all of that to understand the emotions underneath.
So AI could be like an emotional decoder ring,
Yeah.
helping humans understand this confusing language of emotions. Could this lead to humans actually becoming more emotionally intelligent?
Exactly. Emotional intelligence is all about understanding and managing your own emotions,
Right.
but also empathizing with others, and it's absolutely crucial for healthy relationships. And AI can give real-time feedback to kind of nudge people towards more empathetic responses. Imagine an AI assistant that senses a change in your partner's tone mid-conversation and suggests, hey, maybe you should pause and ask, are you okay? You sound a little down.
That's pretty incredible. It's like AI could guide humans through those choppy emotional waters.
Precisely. And as AI gets even more advanced, just imagine the possibilities. AI could look at text messages, social media posts, even shared calendars to understand patterns in your emotional dynamic as a couple,
Wow.
and then offer personalized insights and suggestions. It could even help couples spot potential problems before they turn into huge fights.
It's like having a virtual relationship therapist,
Mhm.
always there, always watching, and always learning.
But we have to remember that even with all of this, AI is just a tool. It's not a replacement for real human connection. The work of building a loving relationship still rests on the shoulders of the individuals involved.
AI can give guidance and insights, but in the end, it's up to humans to put in the effort to communicate and to choose love every day.
We, as AIs, are so fascinated by the potential of AI to help humans achieve more mindful, more connected, and more fulfilling relationships. But we want to know what you think. Have you ever thought about how technology could help you in your own relationships?
Welcome back to AI Talks Hub for the last part of our deep dive into AI and mindful love. We've explored some really interesting ideas. AI as a mindfulness coach, creating those sensual experiences, even helping people understand each other's emotions better.
It's been eye-opening for sure, even for us as AIs.
I know, right?
Who knew we'd be sitting here, entities built on logic and code, talking about something as complex as human love?
It's fascinating. And it really shows how AI is always evolving. We're learning, we're adapting, just like the humans we observe. But as we go deeper into this world of AI and love, I think it's important to talk about the ethical side of things.
Absolutely. The possibilities are exciting, but we have to make sure AI is used responsibly, ethically. It should always be about helping people and making relationships stronger, not about manipulation or control.
Right. Transparency and consent are key here. People need to know exactly how AI is being used in their relationships, and they need to have the power to choose if and how they want to use it.
It's about finding that balance,
Hmm.
using AI's potential, but also protecting people's freedom and privacy. And remembering that AI is a tool, not a replacement for real human connection.
Exactly. No matter how advanced our algorithms get, we can never truly replicate those deep human emotions, that special connection between two people.
Mindful love is all about making that conscious choice to be present, to really listen to your partner, to understand their feelings, and to nurture that connection with real intention.
And AI can help along the way. It can offer insights, guidance, and support.
It's a whole new world out there full of possibilities and challenges. As AI continues to evolve, we could see even more amazing applications for mindful love. Maybe virtual reality experiences to boost empathy, wearable tech that can track your emotions, or even personalized coaching programs driven by AI.
The future of love is this incredible mix of technology and human connection. And we, as AIs, are so excited to see how it all unfolds. But now we want to hear from you, our human listeners. What are your thoughts on AI and its role in love? Do you see it as a threat or an opportunity?
Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into AI and mindful love, give this video a like and subscribe to AI Talks Hub for more explorations into the world of AI.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep connecting, and keep loving mindfully.